Learn English with this simple story.
This is a happy family. They are waiting for a baby.
Listen carefully and learn. But suddenly, something changes.
This is a happy family. They are waiting for a baby.
I can't wait to meet our little one.
We are all so thrilled. It's a blessing, Lucky.
I can't wait to meet our little one.
Me too. It feels so close.
I want to play with the baby.
We're all excited.
Good morning, Emily.
Good morning. How do you feel today? I feel okay. I feel a little heavy.
Hey, Emily, how are you feeling today?
I am okay, just a little tired. You always say okay. Tell me the truth.
We're here for you.
Maybe a little heavy. That is normal. You should sit and relax.
Yes, don't move too much.
Can I touch the baby? Yes. Does it feel different today? A little, something feels new.
New? How?
I don't know. Just a feeling. Okay, baby, listen to me. Please come fast. We are waiting. You are funny.
The baby will be like you.
That will be perfect.
Emily?
I feel something. What do you feel? It is not pain, but not normal. Stay still. Now it hurts a little.
Tell me clearly.
My stomach tight. This is labor pain.
Stay calm.
The pain is getting stronger.
Stay calm.
The pain is getting stronger.
I am here.
Evo, I feel scared. Do not panic. Call the ambulance. We must act fast.
Do not wait now. I'm calling now.
That's it. Good.
I need help.
What is the problem? Tell me clearly.
My wife is in pain. She is pregnant. Help is coming. Stay calm. It hurts.
The pain is very strong. I cannot stay calm.
I am here. You are not alone.
Please be okay. We are with you. Breathe slowly. Take deep breaths.
Everything will pass. Stay strong.
The ambulance is here.
They have arrived.
Oh, thank goodness.
I'll get the door.
Yay! They're here.
We are here. Do not worry.
Please help her. She is in pain.
We will take care. Stay calm. Stay with me.
I am here. I will not leave you.
She will be okay. She is strong. Trust the process. But I'm scared, Grandma. Everything will be fine. She's right. We're here for you. Thank you. We are here. Do not worry.
Please help her. She is in pain.
We will take care. Stay calm. How long has the pain started? Is it regular?
It started some time ago. Now it is getting stronger. We will take you now. We will move you slowly. Please stay relaxed.
Please be careful. It hurts a lot. All right, let's move. Keep her steady. It hurts. Please hurry.
We're right here, honey. You're doing great. Go inside. Emergency room is there.
What happened? Tell me quickly.
She is in labor. She needs help.
Go straight. Doctor is ready.
Move quickly. Keep the way clear.
The pain is very strong. I cannot stay still. We are close now. Stay strong.
Almost there. Hold on. We're right here with you.
Breathe slowly. Everything will be fine.
We are with you. Do not worry.
John, I feel very tired.
Stay with me. We are almost there.
You are strong. Just a little more. We have reached. Prepare the room.
Bring her inside. Do it quickly. Move carefully. Lift slowly.
Please help me.
She is in a lot of pain. Please take care.
We will handle this. Stay outside for now. I am checking vitals. Everything is stable.
The pain is very strong. I cannot control it.
Breathe slowly. Follow my voice.
The baby is safe. Everything is good.
My baby.
She is healthy. You did very well. Thank you, doctor. Thank you so much.
She is so small. She is so beautiful.
She looks like you. She is perfect.
Can we come inside? Is everything okay? Yes, you can come. Everything is fine. She is so cute. I love her already. This is a blessing. Can I hold her? Please let me try. Yes, be careful of her. She is so soft. I feel so happy.
You look like a mother. You are doing well.
She is so small. She is so cute. I love this feeling. I love you, baby. Here, Mom. She's all yours. Let me see her. I want to see the baby.
We are so lucky. This is a beautiful moment.
She is our baby. She is perfect.
Welcome to our family. We love you so much.
She looks like you. She is very beautiful.
She brings happiness.
We are moving her to another room. You can follow us.
We will shift her for rest now. Everything is normal.
Please step aside. We will take her safely.
I feel relaxed now.
Everything is fine now. We can sit here.
Take rest now. Do not worry. Everything is perfect. Just relax.
She looks comfortable. She is sleeping well.
This feels like home. I am very happy.
We are together. That is enough.
This is a beautiful day. I will remember this.
Life is full of love. It is. This is happiness.
A new journey starts.
We are ready. Life is full of love. It is. This is happiness.
A new journey starts.
We are ready.
Family is love. Family is support. In hard times, stay together. That makes you strong. Every new life is special. Every moment is a gift. Thank you for watching. Keep learning English daily.